If you're still searching for a quick and easy brow tutorial that's going to have you out the door in minutes, I need you guys to keep watching. My brow product of choice is always going to be an eyebrow pencil, and I'm using the Exact Arch brow pencil from the Lip Bar. So first, I always start, of course, you want to brush the brows up, and then just taking the pencil, you're going to draw a nice thin line underneath to create the shape. And already, just that fast, we're halfway done. So now I'm going to go in and connect the tail. And as I start to get towards the front, I'm going to fill in a little darker and then lighter towards the end, darker towards the end. Hello, get it together. And lighter towards the front. And you always want to go in and brush to make sure everything is blended nice and easy. Now, of course, this is easier for me because I already have a full brow. But if you have a more sparse, thinner eyebrow, you're obviously going to need to, add a little bit more pencil where needed. And then just brush to blend. And that is literally it. So first brow done. It took me under a minute or two. And that's it. And I'm going to show you also how to, don't worry if you make a mistake, because I'm going to show you how to carve out the shape and to clean up any mistakes with concealer. Also, when you're doing your brow, you want the starting point to be here, the arch to be somewhere on a 45-degree angle, and then you don't want the outer corner, you don't want it to go past the outer corner here, the tail, because otherwise it's going to drag your face down and it's going to droop. So I've already done the other eye off camera, and now we're just going to take some plain old concealer and a flat concealer brush just to clean up any mistakes that we've made. So you just want to go in on the brush, and then you're just going to carve out the shape. So again, like I said, this will also clean up, any mistakes that you've made with the pencil. I also do on top just a little bit towards the end because I don't like it, too sharp. And this also is going to prep your lids for eyeshadow. This is what I use for my eyeshadow base, just some plain old concealer. Now just take the rest of the wand and you're just going to tap it on the eyelid. And now we're grabbing a dense concealer brush, and then I just go in and buff that out. You can already see the difference between this eye and this eye. Already done, and I've done my full face of makeup, so I'm going to give you a close-up of the eyebrows. I feel like they look super natural, and it only took just a few minutes, as you saw. So if you guys like this video, which I hope you did, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.